You'll notice there's a red sign come up on the messages, a little red circle. So read messages.
150 sent a new message. 150 is a free service in the UK and EU and will be charged at local rates from other countries. Our most popular services are balance and allowance information, incl data upgrade info, RO country name, roaming info, RO Italy for example CR, make a card payment app. Would you like me to continue reading?
No. So you can get it to read your messages as you're going along, and I don't know about you, but you're going along, you get a text message, you want to read it.
Would you like to hear more messages?
No, thank you. No.
Okay.
You want to read it, and you know yourself, you're going along, you're driving along, you're at the traffic lights, and there's everybody, or you're in a traffic jam and everybody's looking down like so. With Apple CarPlay, no need for that. No need to put your life at risk and everybody else's. You just ask it to do something.